Hello everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in the 2025 Acura MDX A-Spec Advance. I've been waiting to get my hands on one of these. They just arrived and I'm pretty excited about it. You have a full digital gauge cluster right here. It's the same horsepower, engine and everything, but for 2025 you get the new touchscreen instead of the true touchpad interface. Quick responsiveness, and also the screen was moved a lot forward so you can actually access this easily because it was way back there before. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is wireless. You have the Google Maps, pretty good. A lot of space was freed up in the center console because there's no more touchpad, right? And then you have a little tray over there, cup holders, here's your wireless charging tray. And new for 2025, there's no more ELS Studio 3D sound system. It's the Bang & Olufsen sound system, as you can see right there. Pretty cool. Let's put it in sport mode. And yep. And you also have massaging seats, which is pretty good. The advanced package and A-Spec Advance have the massage seats. Now, if you look here, the seats are from the MDX Type S, which is awesome. A lot more premium. No, there's no more, actually no, there is Ultra Suede in the A-Spec, but the A-Spec Advance and the Advance and Type S Advance, of course, all have the seats with the cross-stitching pattern. And you have the 360 camera, of course. The resolution's actually better, which is cool. Pretty good update by Acura right here for this facelifted MDX. I'm gonna get a video on the advanced package as soon as I can as well. I'm gonna get a video on every single trim level of the new 2025 MDX. Can't wait for the Type S. Those should be arriving pretty soon. Engine sounds amazing as always. Can't go wrong with that 3.5 liter V6. And I feel like right off the bat, the responsiveness is a little better too. It feels like they retuned some things, because like in the pre-facelift 2022 to 2024, when you hit the gas, there's a little bit of a lag. I'm not really feeling that here. I'm sure, I mean, it's the facelift. They did have to change some things. They probably tuned responsiveness with the transmission, engine, and all that. Feels nice. Yeah, feels great actually. It's quite good. Smooth ride, very comfortable. It's very quiet in here. Nice pickup. Very nice. And I want to explore that new touchscreen a little bit more as well, just to see how that's like. Let's go for a quick walk around of this vehicle. So, touchpad wise, I love how Google Maps is integrated. That makes everything so easy. So, oh wait, so there's no more built-in navigation, it's straight Google Maps. That's cool. Ambient lighting. Okay, so it's still the iconic drive, basically, named after all these different kinds of places. Pretty cool. It's a Bang & Olufsen sound system. Here's the key. Remote start. $69,950 MSRP on this vehicle. And you also have heated rear seats. So since this is the A-Spec Advance, you're able to put your foot underneath the trunk and open the trunk up. A-Spec rear cargo mat from Acura. And these are the black Advance wheels. Looks pretty nice. Really good looking SUV right here. And here's the new front fascia. The front bumper is different. And you also have the mesh diamond pentagon grille design, if you can see over there. Looks really aggressive. The Type S is going to look the Type S front end is going to look the same, except the grille is going to be different. Not the mesh. It's going to have like the Type S distinctive design that was there before. But yeah, this is a nice SUV right here. Thanks for watching. Another video of Drew Drives. I'm gonna make, as I said earlier in the video, I'll be making videos on all the trim levels as I get my hands on them. But thanks again for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.